Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to save a Revit file and explain the project folder and backup files. Saving a file must be a friend of yours. Once you create a new file, you must save the Revit file first and work on it later. First, save a file for the first time. Step 1. Click File tab. Step 2. Select Save As from the File menu. Step 3. Select Project under the menu. Step 4. Find a folder location to save. If you do not have a folder, you can create a folder by pressing Alt+5. It is recommended to have a project folder to save the project Revit file. You also save other family files, example furniture, lighting family that you downloaded, and material images that you found under the project folder. You may drag and drop the folder to the left side of the browser for future use. Tip: I strongly recommend having an external hard drive to save files. If your laptop's hard disk is full, your hardware performance will be drastically reduced. To prevent this, your working file should be saved on an external hard disk. For extra safety, it is recommended to use cloud file storage to save files. Step 5. Open a folder to save and make a unique name for the project. Step 6. Before you click Save, you may consider saving a backup file by clicking Options. Revit will automatically make backup project files. It is safe to have the backup files, but it will take time for the automatic backup file while you work on it. You may set the number of backup files, default is 20, by Open option in the Save As browser. 5 backup files might be enough. Second, save a file while working or end of the work. Step 1. Click File tab. Step 2. Select Save or simply press Ctrl+S. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to save a Revit file and explain the project folder and backup files. Thank you.